So close. Let's get it. Unit 5. Got the same amount of dollars in their bank account. One person deposits $25. The other withdraws $40. Who has more money? Ben. The opposite. So that's positive 3.75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 6. Negative 7 over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which point is located as negative 8.65? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'd expect it to be right here. Must be missing something. Ah, this is 7, or it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be 8.7 and 8.6, which is going to be B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 4. That'll be positive 4. There we go. Some of the numbers involved are shown in the number line below. Which are correct. Okay, I'm not going to look at the number line. Maybe I'll scratch it out. I'll draw a smiley face. There we go, that should be right. We want the following inequality to be true. Which are possible values for x? Has to be above 5. Negative 4 is inaccurate. 3 is inaccurate. 5 versus... There we go. The temperature is negative 5.5 degrees Celsius in New York, and negative 11.1 degrees Celsius in Idaho. Drag the white cards to the gray rectangle angle to correctly compare the temperatures. .5 is bigger than negative 11.1. The temperature in New York, which is 5.5, is warmer than that. Negative 5.5 is greater than 1. There we go. The city of New Orleans is located 2 meters below sea level, as shown below. What match their value to the moon? 0 is distance. New Orleans. There we go. Yellowknife was named the coldest city in Canada in 2014. In January, its temperature was 26 below 0. What represents the average temperature of Yellowknife in January? I have to know. Where is it? Like if we just zoom out. Oh, it's in one of the lakes. Oh, I thought it was over here. Oh. Yeah, everyone who lives in here is crazy. I wonder if land's cheap. Anyway, let's try again. Put the greatest number on the left. There we go. There we go. Oh, greatest number. Oh, so it's reversed. There we go. Look at the number line below. 0.82 seems to be between -1 and -2. There we go. Last month, Seth made profit of 401 from selling stocks. That's a profit, so it's positive. There we go. Kilograms. So that's what, 2.2 pounds? Which had the greatest change in weight? Bale. Hopefully that's a healthy change in weight. 8.8 pounds. What represents the opposite of -3? So that'd be +3. So we have C. C. There we go. D is equal to -2. So negative, so that's +2. And then we do another negative. That's -1/2. Also, these negatives cancel, so you just get straight up -1/2. The average temperature in Chile is 7 degrees Celsius. Which of the following are true? That seems to be right. Which of the following inequalities correctly compares an account values? So 146.23 is less than that. That seems correct. Which of the following descriptions is correct? Sophia's checking account has a lower account value than her savings account. Put the lowest number on the left. Use a number line to compare these numbers. On the number line, -3 is below that. Is less than. Here we go. 0 is greater than. A and C cannot both be true. 6, 7, 8. A is less than B. That seems to be true. The absolute value of A bigger than B. That's false. A. That's also false. Assuming this is negative and this is positive. No. Oh, that's awful. A is less than the absolute value of B. Oh, I just got that correct. Oh, that's frustrating. Let's do this. X is greater than the absolute value of -7. which is possible value for x. Which of the following determines if the expression is true or false? I think this is the first time I got a question wrong at the end of the unit check. A is absolute value of A is greater than the absolute value of B. I have to do this unit test once more. I want this to be true. Which of the following is possible for value of x? Any number. Any real number. Any real number should be true. Has to be at least 0, right? Negative a is equal to negative 5. 0. Negative 9.5. 0.95. That seems correct. An eagle is flying 15 meters above the ground. A gyro falcon is flying at elevation of 23 meters above the ground. So the gyro falcon is flying. In Peru. I think they're known for their low sea level. Both are true. I think they're both true. Yay. It's the lowest number on the left. Seems right. Here we go. Which of the following are correct? That's correct. That's correct. C is not correct. But the least number on the left. See, so 1/2, -2, -4, 1. There we go. Negative 3.2425, not 24. That seems right. There we go. Now we 100% yay. Uh-oh, I didn't want that. Oh well. Okay. Just at Unit 5. Goodbye.